tighten and hydrate our skin. When it comes to tightening and hydrating our skin, it's very important that we do it in a sustainable way, in my opinion. And in order to make things happen in life, we really need to take action, affirmative action with confidence and self-empowerment. I'm going to imbue you with that right now with some helpful knowledge as to how you can tighten and hydrate your skin in a natural, sustainable, healthy way. So you do not need a juicer for this recipe. All you need is a blender, and then you will also need a nut milk bag and a bowl. First things first, we're going to want celery. So the reason why we want celery is because it will help with intracellular hydration, and it will make your body, basically it will plump out your cells from the inside out, because the celery has natural sodium and potassium, and it's excellent for your hair, skin, and nails, and it also strengthens your bones. So that is excellent. We definitely want that. A lot of my clients do 3-day celery juice fast and see amazing results just with that. So just a tip for you. Anyway, let's put the celery in the blender, and then what we'll do is strain all the ingredients with the nut milk bag, and then in the bowl, and then your juice is ready to go. So in addition to one entire bunch of celery, I also have 1 apple for taste, just to kind of help it. I don't know, I mean, some people need some sweetness. I don't really, but I'm making this juice for other people other than me. So if I was the only person consuming it, it'd be straight celery. Now, in addition to the apple, we also have some lemon juice. It's organic. It's not a fresh lemon. I don't have any fresh lemons currently, but I have pure lemon juice. And I'll be putting a little bit of that into the juice just because it acts as a natural preservative because of the citric acid in lemons. And this way the juice will last for up to 3 days in the fridge in a airtight container, preferably a mason jar, or another kind of jar, because it oxidizes. Fresh juice oxidizes if there's no lemon in it, okay? And this is also an excellent lesson for you. You know, if you don't have a particular ingredient, simply improvise like I am. What we're going to do is place the chopped celery. Everything is organic, by the way. We want to consume organic as much as possible. So, I filled it up, but I'm not going to fill it up anymore because I want it to blend. So I think I'll just start with that and blend a bit. I'm going to move the Vitamix over here so you can see it. Okay, and go. That blended up nicely. So now we have a base for the remaining ingredients. So when you're blending anything, you'll want to put the soft liquids at the very bottom and then the harder items towards the top. Otherwise, the blades will get stuck and then you'll have to empty out the blender and it's a whole situation. Like, we don't want that, okay? Trust me. You do not want that. So I'm going to chop the apple. And apples are an amazing source of pectin as well, which is a soluble fiber, excellent for your intestinal tract. And there's even the soluble fiber is still in the juice, especially when using the nut milk bag, which is excellent. I love it. Pears have a similar soluble fiber as well, which is amazing. And now I'm going to put maybe about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I drink probably one of these every 3 days because I drink so much lemon water. It's so delicious. Okay, so now we will blend this up and then we're almost done. This is far more efficient than using an actual juicer, in my opinion. It takes much less time. You don't have to clean as much. It's just less of a hassle, basically, but with a similar benefit of the enzyme-rich juice, which provides you with the tight and hydrated skin. Okay, and go. Okay, we are all done. So, you know what? I was a little tired. I just moved yesterday, so I'm exhausted. I've been running errands all day, and I thought, what should I do this afternoon? Should I go on a walk? Should I sleep? Like, what do I do? And then I thought, I'm gonna make a recipe video. Because it's just so darn fun. And the ladies in my program, Look Younger System, it's a 6-week coaching program whereby I help my clients achieve younger looking skin naturally. In that program, they love my recipe videos. So that really inspires me to kind of keep creating them because it's fun to make a recipe. And sometimes I say things that are helpful to you in that moment in time. So I think that's useful. So now what we'll do is simply strain the pulp. Oh my goodness, yes. If it is summer for you, definitely type in the comment section like the degrees, the temperature, because this is beyond right now. I am sweating. It is so hot. This is just, and I turned the fan off because of the background sound. So I moved downtown and there's sirens, of course, right? Which I can hear right now, which is a little annoying, but that's okay. There's the beautiful water, which I'm looking at right now. And there's boats everywhere. Nature is amazing, isn't it? So we're almost done here. Excellent. I'm going to pour this juice back into the blender. Okay. Now we will put this juice in an airtight container. Okay. So now this can stay in the fridge for up to 3 days without oxidizing because of the lemon juice. I hope you have an amazing day.